Did you know you don't always have to come to us to sell your car? In most areas that we serve, we can come to you. It's the same easy process, same professional buyer, just at your home or office. Availability depends on where you live, but if it's an option in your area, we'll help set it up. Just call our team or talk to your local branch to see if mobile buying is available in your area. Whether you sell in branch or at home, you're still getting the same fast, hassle-free way to sell your car with immediate payment.